Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to download a sales report on eBay. So this report will have all the details that you want to assess the sales, like through which method you're getting sales, like is that through advanced PPC or is that through best offers, and it will have the combined fees. It's important that you download this report at least every month and go through this report. So let's jump back into the screen and I will show you how to do that. So once you have logged in to your eBay, you have to go to performance and click on sales. Okay. From here, you'll be able to see the year that you want to select. So if you want to compare it, you can select it and make sure that you select the correct country. If you are selling on multiple countries, just select which countries that you want, and then from here when you click download, there'll be two options: listings sales report and listing sales report with shop category. So these are almost the same report. The second one will only have your shop category. Apart from that, the report is the same. Okay, let me show you how the report is going to look like, both the reports. Okay, this is one with the shop category, and you can see the title, the listing ID, and the total sales, postage paid, final value fees. All this fee breakdown will be the standard fees rate, advance PPC. This is standard PPC. And you can, if you scroll down to the right, you'll be able to see this part is kind of important. The promoted listings, we have best offers. This one is seller initiated offers. So ideally you want to go through this report and see which method is working for you. Maybe you can look into the method that are not working, maybe what's wrong with that, maybe make some adjustments with that method. So it's important that you do that on a monthly basis. I highly recommend that. Let me know if you have any questions or doubts. I will show you the second report as well. This is how it looks like on the second report, but the rest of the the things are same apart from the shop category. Okay. Let me know if you have any comments or suggestions. Thanks a lot for watching.